Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off sound on Dice Dreams application. If you want to go ahead and play your Dice Dreams application without any sound effects, then here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open your Dice Dreams application on your mobile device, and once you're inside the main home page, tap on the menu button located at the top left hand corner. In the expanded menu, tap on the settings icon or the gear icon at the top right hand corner. Now, in the pop-up, you will be able to see your sound settings and music option at the top. Simply go ahead and toggle off both of the buttons and make sure it looks like this. Once you do that, you will be able to turn off any sound effects or music inside the game. So that's how easy it is. I hope you found the video to be helpful. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.